are all my helpers today to help me wash the pea mats out. They like to stand here and help me. They like the hose too. Look out! Look out! Look out, Yellow! Look out! Oh, they like getting a drink. Pink. Good girl. There's purple. Orange. And brown. And blue. And there's Mrs. Green. Yeah, you gotta wash it all off. They like the water, that's for sure. They're not afraid of it anymore. There's Neon. Oh, they just like cleaning, get a fresh bath. Yeah. Good way to keep cool in the summer. Oh, we love each other. Yeah, I think it's clean. It's purple. Neon. Say hello, Neon. And there's Mrs. Pink. Hey, Miss Brown, what's going down? Yellow. Yellow, are you mellow? Yes, you like the water. Yep. You gonna hold the hose for me? Hey, Miss Yellow. Oh. No chewing on that now. No. I'm gonna put that away. No. No. That means you too, Miss Yellow. Thank you. Mrs. Brown, you need to get down. Thank you. Good sitting. We're getting so much better, aren't we? Yes. Yeah, everybody's giving everybody a bath. Aww. Belly rub for Brown. Brown, want a belly rub? Brown, want a belly rub? Oh, belly rub, belly rub. All ready to go to their forever homes. Eating good. Pretty well. Dry kibble pretty well. 3 times a day. And using the mat at nighttime. And they go out about every 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours for a bathroom break. Miss Pink here, she is excellent at sitting. Very soft-spoken girl. Mrs. Green. Mr. Purple. Oh, I know. My hands come down and you think I've got something. There's orange. There's a bit more of the reddish side. Yes, hello. All tuckered out from their afternoon activities. You gotta have a bit of a swim at that. Gorgeous day outside. Oh, that's Mr. Orange. Here's Brown. She's a girl. She's got spunk. She don't take no guff. She likes to wrestle with her brothers. Orange, yep, he's a male. And he can be vocal at times. He's a bit of the jokester of the pack. And here's Miss Neon. Just gets right in there. Make room, make room. Mrs. Brown. And I believe that's Gray. Mr. Gray. Nope, actually that's Yellow. This is Yellow. She's a girl. And two girls together there, Brown and Yellow. There's Mr. Orange. Mrs. Pink. Mrs. Neon. And Mr. Blue. He's just sweet. He's the most mildest tempered. Well, him and Gray are both very much like their father, mild tempered.